In this video, I will show you how to disassemble this 2014 Chevy Camaro Bi-Xenon headlight. Here's the part number on the light. The first thing I'd like to show you is that stamped into the headlight here under the top mounting tabs, it states, "Not a handle." So if you're picking up one of these Camaro headlights, remember that these top mounting tabs are not a handle to be carrying the headlight. The first thing I'm going to do is cut off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. I will begin by removing the T15 Torx screws holding on this black bezel. The screws holding the black bezel in place also hold the turn signal reflector in place. There is a single wire harness connector connecting the wire harness to the front LED panel. There are 6 T20 screws holding on the LED daytime running light components. There are 3 mounting points holding in the projector. I'm going to start by removing the bottom inside corner. We're going to start by loosening the headlight adjuster using a 5mm hex head. Once the headlight adjuster is fully loosened, the bottom of the projector will be loose from the headlight. The top 2 mounts are simply fixed in place. I'm going to try to pop them off using a pair of needle nose pliers. I've popped the projector off the top 2 mounts. Next, from the rear of the light, I'm going to twist the main wire harness connector to the right until it's loose and push it into the headlight. At this point, the projector and wire harness are free from the housing. The headlight housing is now empty. Next, I'm going to push this wire harness connector to the front of the projector. I will now disconnect this wire harness connector. Now I can push the Bi-Xenon wire harness connector through the hole. There are 4 T15 Torx screws holding the projector to the bracket. We can see that the 4 T15 Torx screws holding the projector to the bracket was also holding the projector together. At this point, the light is fully disassembled. Here are the components of the projector. Here are the components of the LED daytime running light. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.